Do you know the biggest mistake most people make when trying to control diabetes? They think medicines are enough, and food is secondary. But Dr. Anirban Chakraborty says the truth is the exact opposite. Food is the number one factor that decides whether sugar levels rise, medicines increase, or whether reversal is actually possible. And here is another truth. Dr. Chakraborty says you do not need exotic or foreign diets. The best reversal diet can be built from simple Indian foods, but only if you know what to eat and what to avoid. Dr. Chakraborty often shares the story of a gentleman in his early 40s. This man said, "Doctor, my father had diabetes, so I was not shocked when my sugar came high. But what shocks me is that I am already on 2 medicines, and my belly is growing. I eat normal Indian food, rice, roti, dal, sabzi. Why is this happening?" Dr. Chakraborty explained that the problem is in those very words, rice and roti. The Indian diet is based heavily on grains. Morning poha, upama, paratha, idli, dosa. Lunch with rice or roti. Dinner with rice or chapati again. Add biscuits with chai in the evening. This constant grain overload makes insulin resistance worse, fuels belly fat, and keeps patients trapped on medicines. That is why, Dr. Chakraborty says, the first principle of a reversal-friendly Indian diet is simple: reduce grains. But people often ask him, "Doctor, if I reduce rice and roti, what will I eat? What will fill my stomach?" And he replies, "The rest of Indian food." Because Indian food has so much variety beyond grains. He recommends focusing on vegetables of all colors, cooked or raw, sabzi or salad. Sprouts like moong or chana sprouts, full of protein and fiber. Curd and paneer, traditional Indian superfoods that keep sugar stable. Fish, chicken, and eggs for non-vegetarians. Nuts and seeds, almonds, walnuts, pumpkin seeds, flax seeds. Dr. Chakraborty recalls one patient who told him, "Doctor, I thought if I stop rice, I will starve. But now I eat sabzi, paneer, sprouts, and curd, and I am full all day." Dr. Chakraborty explains meal by meal how to make the right choices. Breakfast. Most people eat paranthas, idlis, dosas, poha, or upma, all grain heavy and sugar spiking. Instead, he recommends sprouts, eggs, paneer bhurji, or vegetable upama with far more vegetables and very little grain. Even curd with nuts and seeds is better than bread butter or sugary cornflakes. Lunch. A typical plate is half rice or 3 rotis, a little dal, and a spoon of sabzi. Dr. Chakraborty advises flipping this around. Half the plate should be sabzi, 1/4 dal or sprouts, and only a small portion of rice or roti, or none at all. Add curd or paneer for protein. Dinner. The biggest mistake, according to him, is heavy rice at night. This keeps sugar high through the night and damages the liver. Instead, he suggests keeping dinner light, more vegetables, some paneer, sprouts, eggs, or chicken. If patients want khichdi, he says to make it with more dal and vegetables, and very little rice. One patient told him, "Doctor, I switched to dal vegetable khichdi with a spoon of ghee, and my sugars came down overnight." Dr. Chakraborty warns against so-called healthy foods. Biscuits with tea are not healthy, they are sugar and refined flour. Brown bread is not healthy, it is still high carb. Fruit juices, even fresh, spike sugar like sweets. Sweet fruits like mangoes, bananas, and grapes are not safe for daily diabetes diets. Instead, he suggests guava, papaya, or small portions of berries if available. But even then, less fruit is always safer. And about milk. Many think milk is healthy, but Dr. Chakraborty explains that milk contains lactose, a sugar. curd and paneer are far better. What about millets like ragi, bajra, jawar? Dr. Chakraborty says millets are better than rice, but they are still grains. They still carry carbs. They still spike sugar in large amounts. The safest way, he says, is to use them in small quantities in khichdi-style meals, with more dal and vegetables. He often describes two types of patients. Patient A continues his regular Indian diet. Morning paratha with chai. Lunch 2 bowls of rice with dal and potato sabzi. Evening biscuits and tea. Dinner rice and fish curry. His sugar stays high, his belly grows, and his medicines keep increasing. Patient B changes his plate. Morning sprouts with curd and nuts. Lunch half plate sabzi, some dal, small portion of rice, and paneer. Evening a boiled egg with green tea. Dinner palak paneer with sprouts. This patient feels full, energetic, and his medicines start reducing. Both eat Indian food, but one stays stuck on medicines, while the other moves towards reversal. So what does Dr. Chakraborty call the best Indian diet for diabetes reversal? Reduce grains like rice, roti, bread, poha, paratha. Stop sweet fruits and milk. Avoid biscuits, sweets, and packaged foods. Eat more vegetables, sprouts, paneer, curd, fish, chicken, eggs, nuts, and seeds. Build plates khichdi style, more dal, more vegetables, less or no grain. Dr. Chakraborty is clear, medicines cannot reduce belly fat, cravings, or tiredness. They cannot reverse insulin resistance. Only lifestyle can do that. He says, if you want to reduce medicines, reduce insulin, save money on endless doctor visits and hospital admissions, reversal is the best option. This is exactly what his program is designed to do. Safe, science-based, and practical. Not a strict diet chart, but real, personalized guidance. Supported by a senior dietitian, led by an expert doctor. One patient said after joining, "Doctor, I never thought I could eat Indian food and still reduce medicines. But today, I am proof that reversal is possible." You too can take this step. Consult Dr. Anirban Chakraborty online from anywhere in the world. Call or WhatsApp at +9 1 8 9 1 0 9 0 2 5 4 7. Choose a regular consultation if you need medicines, or a reversal session where Dr. Chakraborty studies your lifestyle in detail and gives you step-by-step guidance to reduce illness with less or no medicine. Again, the number is +9 1 8 9 1 0 9 0 2 5 4 7. Remember, the best Indian diet for diabetes is not about eating less. It is about eating right. It is about reducing grains, adding vegetables, sprouts, curd, paneer, nuts, and seeds. It is about building balanced khichdi-style meals. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos on diet, exercise, sleep, and stress, the 4 pillars of diabetes and obesity reversal. And for more information on diabetes and obesity reversal, look at our website given in the description.